Alright, I want to compare between this diffraction grating and double slits. So first of all, before this, I already compared between single slit and double slit. Now I want to compare diffraction grating with double slit. The diffraction grating and double slit is almost the same. The intensity is almost equal. Yeah, intensity is almost equal. Yeah, you see double slit and intensity is almost equal. Unlike the single slit, the intensity is only high at the central maximum. Yeah, at the side there, the intensity is very low. Reduced rapidly. Yeah, this is single slit. Single slit, the intensity only highest at the central maximum. But for the diffraction grating, the intensity is the same all along. Yeah, it doesn't reduce. It reduces slowly. The intensity reduces slowly, like the double slit. However, the double slit intensity, the double slit fringes are much wider for each other. Yeah, for each bright fringe, it is much wider size. But for diffraction grating, the bright fringe is very small in size, very focused. We can say like yeah, it's very focused lah. Yeah, it's very focused. Yeah, so it's like maybe I can draw it out. I can try to draw it out. This is, maybe I draw it out. See this one? This is not the exact fringes. I will draw out the correct one. Okay, this is the double slit. The double slit, this is the central bright fringe, and then dark fringe, bright, dark, regular interval. Maybe I can highlight it. Yeah. So this is the one. See that? Okay. See that? The bright fringe, all very regular interval. However, for the for the diffraction grating, for the diffraction grating, you can see, I just use maybe I use a laser light. You can see the intensity. Maybe is this a red light? I just use red light. All the other side is black. Yeah. It's very focused. It's very focused. Let's say I use a red light. It's very focused. The intensity is very focused. This is the bright fringe lah. Yeah. This I'm using a laser light. Bright fringe. All these are bright fringe. You don't have the dark fringe. Just have the bright fringe. Very focused. Whereas for the double slit. Okay. Look at here. The double slit. The bright fringe is much wider. Yeah. For single slit, it is, the single slit, only the central maximum is very big, and then followed by the next one become smaller already. Yeah, it's become smaller already. I don't know how to draw. Yeah. So maybe I can try to draw it out. This is the dark fringe over this side. The center one is a central maximum. Okay. Yeah. So this is the bright fringe. Yeah, the bright fringe. See that? This is a single slit. Central maximum, high intensity. Yeah. Diffraction grating, very focused. The intensity is very focused. Okay, so that's the diffraction grating and double slit. Yeah, the intensity is very focused, but double slit is not so focused. Yeah. Now, how about the order? Yeah, order. Okay, I have tell you about this one. Okay, you follow the order. Diffraction grating only has bright fringe. It has no dark fringe. Okay, it only talks about bright fringe. It only has a bright fringe formula. Just one formula for bright fringe. No formula for dark fringe. Okay. So you see that the zero order is the central bright fringe. First order is the first bright fringe. Okay. Zero order is central bright fringe. First order is the first bright fringe. You just follow the order, the number follow the order. You don't have the dark fringe. Okay, so now I want to summarize all the orders and the number of fringes for double slits, single slit, and diffraction grating. 2 slit, 1 slit, and many slits. Okay, first of all, talking about the order, it has 2 alphabet. It's either using M or N. For the interference, what I can say is double slit is the interference pattern. Interference. Whereas for the single slit and diffraction grating, these two, they are diffraction. Okay? Single slit and double, diffraction grating, they are diffractions. Only the double slit is interference. So, the double slit and the diffraction grating both start from 0. Only the single slit start from 1. Why start from 1? You have to look back to the videos how I derived the formula for single slit. That explains everything about the order already. Yeah. Okay. So now that's the first. Only the single slit has the first order. Now talking about the bright fringe. All follow the order. No matter it's double slit or single slit or diffraction grating, all follow the order. So let's say I have for example what I can say is, let's say I have first order bright fringe. What is it called? It's called the first bright fringe. It's called the first bright fringe. Second order bright fringe is the second bright fringe. Same goes for single slit. Single slit also first order bright fringe is the first bright fringe. But the thing is, single slit don't have the zero order bright fringe lah. But for double slit and the diffraction grating, they have a zero order bright fringe, which is called the central bright fringe. Okay. We also can write. For this one we have, for double slit and diffraction grating, it has a zero order bright fringe, which is called the central bright fringe. This one also, same goes to diffraction grating, also has a central bright fringe. Okay, follow the order. Bright fringe for all follow the order. However, for dark fringe, diffraction grating, we don't consider about the dark fringe. No formula for that. For double slit, you have to plus 1. The single slit follow the order. That means what? Let's talk about the follow order first. Okay, so for single slit, the first order dark fringe, the first order dark fringe is considered what? Is considered the first dark fringe. Follow the order. However, the first order dark fringe for double slit, it is which dark fringe? It is the second dark fringe. The first order dark fringe is the second dark fringe. The first order dark fringe for double slit, you have to plus 1, become second dark fringe. But the first order dark fringe for single slit, just follow, become the first dark fringe. That's the difference. For diffraction grating, no dark fringe is considered. So now I want to ask you, I want to ask you a trivial questions. What if for now I want to ask about the double slit. Now I want to ask about the double slit. Okay, I want to ask about the double slit bright fringe. Let's say I have this is the 73 bright fringe. What order is it? Double slit bright fringe 73. It is the 73 bright fringe. What order is it? So double slit bright fringe, just follow the order. Whenever it is bright fringe, just follow order. No matter whatever things. just follow the order. What for bright fringe is always follow the order. So this order you put as 73. Understand? However, now I'm talking about the dark fringe for double slit. Dark fringe for double slit. Okay, dark fringe for double slit. Now the 73 dark fringe. For the 73 dark fringe, you need to put what order? What order for this 73 dark fringe for double slit? The order should be 70. Do you put 73? Wrong. The answer is 72. Understand? Because to get the 73, it is the 72 plus 1. Understand? So the order you should put, the order, this is the M is the order. The order is actually less than 1 compared to the number. So this 73 dark fringe, double slit, double slit dark fringe. See that? Where is it? The double slit dark fringe. Okay, you have M plus 1. That means the order must less than 1 compared to the number, and the number you have to plus 1. Okay, so double slit dark fringe is M plus 1. That means if 73rd dark fringe double slit is actually the order is 72. Not, you should put at 72. If you put 73, wrong already. Yeah, you get wrong answer. The order is 72. Now I want to ask you another question. What about the single slit? What about the single slit? Now I want to ask you the same question. I want to ask you the same questions. Now for the bright fringe, I'm talking about the 73rd bright fringe also. 73rd bright fringe also. This order you should put what? Bright fringe single slit. The order just follow. Understand or not? For bright fringe, no matter what, no matter is double slit, diffraction, grating, single slit, for bright fringe always follow the order. See that? The bright fringe always follow the order. Okay, follow the order. So just follow the order. So it's correct. The order also put 73. Okay. However, if dark fringe, now I'm talking about the 73 dark fringe. 73 73 dark fringe. This order, this one should put N. N. Okay, this order should put what? Order, is it 73 or 72 or 74? Which one? Single slit dark fringe. The N is 73. Not 72. Not 72. 72 is wrong. Only the double slit minus 1. Yeah, minus 1. But for the single slit, follow the order. Understand or not? For single slit dark fringe, follow the order. See that? I rewrite here already. For single slit, the dark fringe all follow the order. Only the double slit plus 1. Dark fringe, only the dark fringe for double slit plus 1. But single slit follow the order. Follow the order. So that means the 73rd dark fringe is order 73rd also. Okay. So like that lah. So it's like that, just like that lah. Yeah. So this one follow all these. Only this one M plus 1. Yeah, M plus 1. Yeah. This one just follow the order. Follow the order. How about diffraction grating? How about diffraction grating? How about the diffraction grating? Diffraction grating only has the bright fringe. Yeah, only has the bright fringe. Now talking about the 73rd bright fringe. So what is the order you should put? 73 also. For bright fringe always follow. Only the dark fringe for double slit plus 1. All the rest just follow the order. So this one also follow. The order just follow. Yeah. 73rd dark fringe, bright fringe. The order is 73 also. So, diffraction grating, the bright fringe also follow the order. Okay, this one already summarize everything. Okay, understand? I hope you understand about this. Now, this one always asked in the paper 2, subjective questions. Okay, so now, why is it like that? Why is all the follow order and m+1? It's all because of this. This one I already summarized the order and the fringes. Okay, let's look. Double slit, young double slit or two slits, the order start from 0. Many the diffraction grating also order start from 0. Only the single slit order start from 1. And because of these differences, that is why they differ in the dark fringe. Yeah, m+1 and follow order. Yeah, look at here carefully. Let's start with double slit. Yeah, this is the double slit. Okay, so about the central bright fringe, the order still start from 0. So the central bright fringe is 0 order, and then the first bright fringe is first order. So you see, bright fringe follow the order. Yeah, bright fringe, bright fringe follow. Yeah, bright fringe follow. However, the dark fringe, look at the dark fringe. Dark fringe for double slit, also start from 0. But dark fringe for double slit, it doesn't have central dark fringe. The central position already occupied by the bright fringe. The dark fringe has no central, so it becomes the first dark fringe. So the first dark fringe, however, the order start from 0. The order for dark fringe start from 0. So that's why the first dark fringe is the 0 order. So that's why I say the dark fringe, for dark fringe is on m+1. Do you see that? m+1, yeah, m+1. You get first dark fringe. Okay, and the rest. And then let's look at the single slit. Single slit, the one slit, the order start from 1 for both. Yeah, you know, for double slit, both start from 0 for both bright fringe and dark fringe. This one also single slit, both start from 1 for bright fringe and dark fringe also. Okay, understand? For bright fringe and dark fringe, both start from 1. It doesn't have 0 order. So now, let's talk about the central bright fringe. Central bright fringe is not included in any. Yeah, it don't have an order. Yeah, this one no single slit, no 0 order, and central bright fringe here is not. We don't calculate the central bright fringe. Even we want to calculate the width of central maximum, central bright fringe, we use the dark fringe also, isn't it? We use the formula for dark fringe. Okay, so single slit, we don't have the order for the central bright fringe. What we have is starting from first dark fringe. Dark fringe, it doesn't have the central position. Central position already occupied by the bright fringe. Central already occupied by central bright fringe. So dark fringe don't have central bright fringe. Dark fringe only have first dark fringe. It start with first dark fringe, and since the order start from 1, no matter it's bright fringe or dark fringe for single slit, the order start from 1, not start from 0. Okay, it start from 1. So the first dark fringe has the first order. It doesn't have the 0 order. No 0 order because the order start from 1. So the first dark fringe is the first order. And then after that we have the first bright fringe. First bright fringe, the order also for bright fringe also start from 1, not start from 0. It start from 1. So the first bright fringe is the first order. Same also. Okay, and then the following: second dark fringe, second order. Second bright fringe, second order. So you see that for bright fringe. So again the same bright fringe. First order is first bright fringe. So bright fringe also follow order. However, for the dark fringe, dark fringe also follow order. First order dark fringe is the first dark fringe. Okay, also follow. Only the double slit +1. Now look at the diffraction grating. Diffraction grating is the same as the, what I can say is the same as, double slit. It's the same as double slit bright fringe. The diffraction grating is the same as the double slit bright fringe. So the central bright, it starts with central bright, and then the diffraction grating start from zero order. It starts from zero order. So the central bright has the zero order, and then the first bright, followed by the first bright, has the first order. Second bright has the second order. So you see the bright fringe here also follow order. The bright fringe here also follow order. It follow the order also, just like double slit. See that? Okay, make sense? The first bright fringe for double diffraction grating also first order. Just like this one, first bright fringe is the first order, just the symbol different. This one M, this one N. So this one is the same as the bright fringe for double slit. Diffraction grating is just the bright fringe for double slit. The formula also the same. D sin theta equal to n lambda, both in phase. Okay. Yeah. So I think that's it for these videos. I think I already teach you everything you need to know. Okay. Okay. Follow. Only this one n+1. This one don't have dark fringe. Don't have dark fringe. And then what's the rest? Single slit. The formula. Also comparison. You know already. All right. Okay. So that's all for these videos. I hope you enjoy the videos. It's a bit long, but I already covered everything you need to know from A to Z for this whole chapter. Okay. So following is my videos for my problems. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.